How to add Arbitrum on MetaMask. Are you guys facing issues to add Arbitrum on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the MetaMask, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the right side of your screen where you can see this plus icon. Tap on it. Now tap on source bar and search for Arbitrum. You are looking to add Arbitrum, right? Just check the box. Once you check it, tap on next and hit the import button. As soon as you click on import, Arbitrum will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Arbitrum on MetaMask application. If you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.